say. Come on, let us go! Move! Out! Yeah. Well, how are we doing on my side? God, they say they need to make our ammo last if we're doing games like this. That's not happening. I don't want to just fall out. Sorry? Just that corner there.
Round the corner and down the back.
Yeah, let's do it then. Fuck it, we have respawns. Come on guys, fuck it, we have respawns. What's wrong with this side? Fuck it. Come on guys, we have respawns, go! Ah, fuck. Screw this. Oh.
Sorry, do the kill.
Oh, cheers. Right, I'm nearly out. Ben, they pushed us right back here. Fuck it, we have respawns, let's go. Ready? How many are there? Come on, fuck it, we have respawns, go! Right, Ben, last 7 rounds. Last 7. Can you wipe? Like, can you wipe me down? Got it everywhere. Ready? Have I got it this side?
No, mate, there's no point. It's fucking there.
Yeah, I know, but.
Oh, go!
Ready?
Yeah, mate, I've got fucking left as well. I don't want to waste any more ammo.
Well, I have 7 rounds. I'm screwing it. I'm right going. Ready? Gotta love this life! Woo! Fuck it! This ain't going well! Bollocks! Come on guys, come and help! That hurt! I'm run out, I'm gone. Oh, do knife kills count? Do knife kills count? Marshall, do these count? No? I've run out. Oh no. Oh.
They've pinned it down there as well.
I think I'm going to go back and get some ammo.
Come back out.
Yeah. Not this game, no, this game's mental. Well, we're going to have to, we've got nothing. Unless we put a gun down and scout for them, see where they are.
We've got to get past that corner. How do we get past there?
Has anyone been back to the staging room yet?
How do you get back to the stage without getting lit up like a creep?
Well, it don't matter if we get lit up, we just got to go get in. I'll go on and see if I can get through there.
Wait, is that what's inside?
What's in there?
There's nothing, it's just empty rooms you can't get through.
We need to get back to the staging area. Alright. Right, is that completely empty? Sorry, man. Cheers. Wait. We're trying to get through staging room. Oh, God. Oh, there's no need for that.
That's where the drugs are. The guns are.
Oh, yeah, there's the guns.
We want to get around there.
Oh, we want that.
We want to come round. No, we want
Yeah, why not? I'll come get it. Fuck it, come on.
They're going to start lighting you up.
Oh, fuck it, come on. I'm out of paint, screw it. Sorry? We're out.
Oh, that way, boys. Turn right. That way.
Oh, is it?
Come on, down there.
Oh, we're just about to run for it. We're just about to make a run for it then.
Running is the key.
Oh, yes, it is. If we get people, oh, fucking screw it. Don't trust that there. Take this back to spawn, and then I'm running for it and get these guys to cover us. Sorry? Yeah, I'm going to get them to cover us. Don't know, maybe run out of ammo. There you go, just put it up there. Well, I know it's mine, and if anyone else has got one, then I know they've stolen it, so no one else has got it, have they? What's through here? Where's the marshal? I don't trust it. Oh, fuck it, run with it. No, I'll run with it, screw it. You're not running it? Well, we got respawns, we might as well charge. No, don't get paint, just charge. So, mate. Guys, have you all got paint? Oh, shit, man. Nope. Oh, you got my scope, you bastard. That's the one thing I don't want shot. I have no paint, but screw you! Ah! I didn't do nothing. You've still got ammo in your pods. Have you? Where'd you get it from?
I've got ammo on there.
Oh, then you can protect me.
What?
I said, oh, good, you can protect me. Yeah, I'm running. Look at this. Look. Have they charged? Oh.
Oh, fucking respawn got lit up, didn't they?
fuck it. Oh, fuck me! Ben, anyone around there? Oh, hello! Oh! Ben, keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Ready? Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Right. Oh look, gold. Is that ours? Can we take it back? Why? I want gold. I've got no paint. I don't know where to go from there. Oh, George, you're a lifesaver. I owe you 10. I owe you 10. Just give me a sec. There. Yeah, we had a conversation with the other team. George, fuck it, run for it. We've got spawns. The only problem is, what's wrong? Sorry? What's going on? Ram? No blind firing, guys, please. Right. Took a while, but I did it.